welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola, welcome back. So today we are going to play around a little, and I am using number 6, 7, and 6 from different Burano Polygel kits, and using a clear from the McCart Green Polygel kit. So as always, make sure you prep your nails, you push your cuticle back, you cut your dead cuticles, you buff your nails very lightly, put a primer, dehydrator, put the tips on, and you can lightly buff the tips. And then you want to go in with a base coat and cure that for 60 seconds. Now, this part is really important because some people don't like to put the base coat, but the base coat is really important. It helps the polygel adhere properly. So I cure that for 60 seconds. Depending on your UV light, you want to do it a little longer, a little shorter. And I'm going in with number 6 from the temperature changing kit, the Burano brand, and I'm putting this on my thumb and on my ring finger. Now you might notice that I have my tips on my builder gel extensions, and I actually got a couple of comments on, does that make a difference? Is it work, or does it affect your nail? No, it actually doesn't. I glued them right on the tip of my extension. It really doesn't do any much difference. I just love my extensions right now, and I'm not trying to take them off and redo them. So this is my lazy way, but I personally didn't have any problems. I wouldn't do it if you're, having this set for a long time. I would definitely do it on a clean nail bed. So don't do it like this if you want your nails to last a very long time. I just did it because I didn't want to take off my extensions, and I really wanted to get this video out for all of y'all to enjoy. So I left that the way it is. But I did want to take this opportunity to talk about my huge giveaway going on my Instagram, DIY Anais. And I partnered with 5 amazing companies: Dipped and Dusted Nails, The Dip Spot, Cherub Nails. I also partnered with Beautifully by Kiana and Yoni Dynasty, and they were so gracious enough to give some amazing products. And from this week to the week of Christmas, we are counting down in celebration for Christmas. I love Christmas. So every couple of days we're gonna have a new giveaway sponsored by one of them, and you're gonna have one day exactly to enter this giveaway. So you don't want to miss it. Make sure you head over to my Instagram, DIY_Anais. Go follow me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and you're gonna have to follow all of their accounts in order to enter for this giveaway. So stay tuned on my Instagram. I'm gonna have more directions under each separate post, but this is gonna be so much fun. I'm just so excited, and I thought it would be a really fun way to give back to all of y'all. So that is what is going on my Instagram. Make sure you check that out. After I went in with number 7, and this one turns from purple to a really pretty blue, and I love Burano. I recently did a review on their color temperature changing one, and I just love their consistencies. They're amazing. So I just wanted to use all Burano products besides the clear and just go in. So this nail set was kind of inspired by like the star gems and rhinestones that I had, and I kind of want to just like go with the flow. This was totally freestyled. I changed my mind a million times when doing this look, but I think y'all will enjoy it, and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the application. It's super simple, very fun, and let me know what y'all think in the comments. Alright, so after I put my stars, my moons, my glitter, I am clear capping this because this would be very, very awful if my drill would mess it up. So make sure you're always clear capping chunky things. You definitely want these things to be secure, you want them to be safe, and you don't want them to get ruined. So clear cap that, cure that for 60 seconds, and then I just went off camera and I buffed, shaped, filed my nails with my Melody Susie drill and my Tammy Taylor nail filer. And then I go in with some gem work. So I am just going in with a couple of really chunky stones, some big gems, some nice little rhinestones, and I'm using the top coat from SXC. Their consistency is a lot thicker than other top coats, so I thought it would be perfect to use for a gem glue. And you can use a thicker top coat as a gem glue. It really doesn't, your rhinestones are not affected by that. As long as you're securing them correctly, you can use a rhinestone glue. It really doesn't matter as long as your gems, your rhinestones, whatever you're using is nice and secure. I went ahead and topped coat the rest of my nails, and then I cured that for 60 seconds, and this is the final look. I love the way these came out, and I'm especially obsessed with the fact that they're one color when your hands are warm and another color when your hands are cold. So this is the way it looks when my hands are warm. Very nice cool toned blues. You see how like the purple turns a light blue? I love that. I love how it's like a complete opposite color. And then the glitter nail just like brings it all together. I really love the way it came out. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. I am going to show you how my nails look cold. I put my hands under some cold water and look how beautiful. I love the way these came out. Y'all let me know what y'all think below. If you're not a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Thank y'all so much for watching y nos vemos en la próxima.